Okay. Hello, everyone. How's you? Good. You doing BSL lessons for fire grill alarm? Fire grill alarm. Fire grill alarm. Easy. This one there. Alarm. Just alarm. One finger, fat hand. Alarm. Alarm. Same as scuba alarm, fire alarm, clock alarm, everything. Just watch alarm. What's that? It's sound. Alarm. This one had many different sound numbers over UK. So for me in Scotland, I'm doing Bon. Bon. Right there in the palm. Bon. Bon. That's for Scotland. All in Scotland. Bon. Bon. But most comments are over UK is Bon. That vegan. For fire. Same for FRRE. Fire. The same. Fire. Bon. You do this or this. Fire. Bon. Fire. Bon. The same. It's that region. Damage. Put palm to palm. Open galaxy. Damage. Damage. It's like you pick it up, you crush it. Broke. Damage. 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 I will, the same for destroy. Same damage. Destroy. Destroy. It's destroy. No, it's damage. Damage. Badly damage. Ouch. Okay. Emergency. The same for quite emergency, but one, not one time, many time. Emergency. Emergency. Let me quick. Come on. Danger. Emergency. Emergency. So emergency. Emergency. Qantas. For me, is two Ben Thunder. Two Ben Thunder. Qantas. Qantas. So emergency. Qantas. Emergency. Qantas. So, sometimes people say emergency Qantas. The phone. Yeah. So emergency contact phone. But for me, emergency contact. So emergency contact, or you can say emergency contact phone call. Easy. Extra is extra. Right hand out. Extra. The same for escape. Same for escape. Extra. extra, escape, extra, it's the same thing. Escape, extra. Is that ouch? That's basically like a tower. Just escape, extra. That's it. Escape, extra. So please, extra. You must escape. The gracious escape. So yeah, something. Same before, fire, burn. Same thing, fire, burn. That region. Fire, burn. For me, it's different. I'm doing burn, fire, burn, fire. I prefer separate because I think it confuses it a little bit. Fire, burn. That's all okay, but I still understand. But for in Scotland, it's separate. So burn, fire. But all over UK, that region, fire, burn. Same. They're in the fire. That's my favourite song. Fire and girl. You just say fire, girl. The same for fire alarm. But you know it's just a kiss. It's just a kiss. It's just fire girl, kiss. The fire girl. Fire girl or fire alarm. But you know what it means. So fire girl. Fire girl. Yeah. So you say also testing fire alarm. What it means? Test fire alarm. Test. Test. Test fire alarm. So I say so fire alarm. How good that's testing fire girl. I always say this. So no meaning always test is not real. Just testing. I can't say that word. I still I can't say that. Half of me to say that word. Fire that thing. I guess fire says it's dangerous. Try my best. Fire, yes. Fire, and you hold that, and you hold it go. Fire, it's dangerous. I think. Yeah, I will say that. Perfect. Okay. Again, fire, injure is too gaffer. The more people say, from the injure, because of gear, mega gear. The fire injure, fire injure, fire injure. Sometimes I know oldest one say injure, fire injure. Yeah, because the machine all fashion, the fire injure. But most people know a fire injure. Fire injure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fireman. Whew, I love fireman. Save me. Fireman. 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 It's simple. Fireman. 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 Yeah. Fireman. Yeah, we got beer. Man. Fireman. Fireman. Safety. Less and less same sound numbers. Hand like this. She straight. Safety. 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 People, so many people is keep it safe and too close to you. Safety. Be safe. Please be safe. Safety. That vegan. Please be safe. Please safe. Careful. I'm here for health and safety. Health and safety. Check. Virus assignment. Virus assignment. Safety. 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 Something like that. Smoke. That, or if you force it on fire, it's smoke. But if you call by cigarette, it's smoke. But please don't smoke. No. Bad for your lung. No. But this is about fire, so it's smoke. Wow, massive smoke over there. Yeah. Wow. I know it's funny. Stop, drop, and roll. Not that. Stop. So do one hand, stop, or two hand, stop. It's up to you. Stop or stop. Stop. Drop. I gave me microphone. No, not that. I'm out. No. So it's drop. So stop, drop, and roll. So remember, stop, drop, and roll. Yeah. There you go. So that's it for this. We're gone. Very good. It's funny. I love that one. It's funny. So, someone keep photo guy please together. We're gone.